Sakshan.
And I'm Jaskaran Singh Sani, reporting from Radio Spark.
The voice of Jaipuria. Today we are interviewing the candidates contesting for the Student Council election.
So let's go.
So we have Sharanya Pandey Didi with us, who is standing for the post of head girl. So your first question is, what are your leadership qualities?
Thank you so much for asking me that question, Ashima. My leadership qualities, I would say, is that I am firstly very open and very approachable. I have to say that I have been in part of a lot of activities as leader or under leadership of great people, and so I've got to learn a lot from them, and so I've learned that I have to be open to people and their views, as well as when it requires I have to be assertive with my lead as well, so that the program goes on, the show goes on, and it can be run smoothly with everyone's consent and everyone's views taken into account, but still in a protocol and organized manner.
Your second question is, every time promises are made but they are not fulfilled, how are you going to tackle this problem?
Thank you so much for this question as well. One thing that I've been stating throughout my campaign for this year is that last year I was contesting for the position of Godavari House Vice Captain, and I was elected for that position. And I had only 4 points in my manifesto, and I made sure that all of those 4 points were initiated. I had skill building lessons in my manifesto that I had initiated, and I had asked all of the members of my house about what all topics would they like to have those lessons on. I had also set up their online forum on the Instagram's account. I had built the self-identity, and I had also taken up a fairer participation, as I had circulated lists and the duties that we have for lunch and dispersal right away with everyone in a fair manner.
Hello everyone. My name is Jaskaran Singh Sani, and we have Shalabh Bhaiya, who is contesting in the student elections with the post of head boy. So my first question to you is, what does your logo represent, and why do you think that it should be your logo?
Good morning, one and all. The logo, symbol of a lion, represents ferocity, respect, inclusivity, and bold leadership, along with determination and strength.
So my question is, every time promises are made but they are not fulfilled, how are you going to tackle this problem?
I'm gonna tackle this as I'm a very influensive person, and last year also, when I was there in the elections, I became sports prefect for Ganga House, and then also I made a perfect team for sports, and Ganga came second and first in 2 events. Like that only, I will influence people and give them new opportunities and talk to people.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for answering all our questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now we have Shreya Didi with us, standing for the post of head girl. So your first question is, what are your specific goals?
Yeah, thank you for that question. Something I'm really passionate about is creating a peer support network that is including the younger ones and them communicating with the elder ones, because I feel the elder kids have so much to offer, so much guidance, so much just a better sense of what is happening and what the younger ones can expect in the future for themselves. That is what I am really passionate about. And second of all, creating a comprehensive learning system. That is education beyond and expanding education beyond the curriculum that we read in our classrooms. So let's say expanding one's knowledge and skill set, because that's really important when you come to the the high school. So that's that. Thank you.
Hello Shreya Didi. The second question to you is, what does your logo represent, and why do you think that this is your logo?
Yeah, thank you. Another great question, an important one. It's a golden star because I feel under my guidance, the council is really going to shine the brightest.
Now we are here with Sakshan Bhaiya, who is standing for the post of head boy. So my first question to you is, what does your logo represent, and why do you think that this is your logo?
My logo is a lion which represents endless potential and my bold leadership. This is my logo because I think I'll be a fierce leader and listen to the concerns of student and do my work efficiently and effectively.
Every time promises are made but they are never fulfilled. How are you going to tackle this problem?
I know this is a big concern, but I have not made any false promises which I think I'll not be able to do. So I have made promises which I can fulfill and I will fulfill.
Now we are with Sumaira Didi standing for the post of head girl. Your first question is, what will be your tips and guides for your juniors?
Okay, so basically, there should be a balance between your academics and extracurriculars, because mainly if you do focus on your academics, you are losing a major part and you are missing a major part of experiencing new things, experiencing various parts, which can help you further not just in academics but in life skills as well.
What are your first steps once you become head girl?
Okay, so the first step would be basically interacting with the juniors, everyone basically, so that I know their problems. Because if I take an action without knowing actually what they are feeling about it, then it has no use. So basically, I will interact with everyone so that I get their problems, I get their suggestions, and according to that, I will make a concluding work to do.
Thank you for answering all the questions, Sumaira Didi.
Thank you.
I am Ashima Tandon.
And I am Jaskaran Singh Sani, signing off for today.